The Zombie is a classic tiki cocktail packed with rum and tropical fruit flavors. It was created in the 1930s by Don Beach, aka Don the Beachcomber, and is known for its potent combination of rums and fruit juices. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce light rum, a good quality white rum to form the base spirit. 1 ounce gold rum, adds depth and complexity to the drink. 1 ounce dark rum, gives the drink a robust flavor. 1 ounce 151 proof rum. This overproof rum packs a punch and is used sparingly. Half an ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice is best. Half an ounce lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice complements the lime. Half an ounce falernum, a sweet syrup used in many tropical drinks. Half an ounce grenadine, adds sweetness and a touch of color. Half an ounce simple syrup, adjust sweetness according to taste. 1 dash Angostura bitters, provides a hint of spice and complexity. 1 dash absinthe, optional, adds a unique anise flavor. 1/2 cup crushed ice, essential for the proper dilution and chill. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, measuring jigger, bar spoon, hurricane glass or tiki mug, strainer. Here are the instructions. Add crushed ice to a cocktail shaker. Add rums, juices, falernum, grenadine, simple syrup, bitters, and absinthe, if using, to cocktail shaker. Shake well until everything is thoroughly mixed and chilled. Strain the mixture into a hurricane glass or tiki mug filled with additional crushed ice. Garnish with a cherry, mint sprig, and a slice of pineapple or orange if desired. Serve immediately with a straw. The original Zombie is said to be so potent that Don Beach limited his customers to a maximum of 2 zombies per night. This drink earned its name because of its high alcohol content, supposedly turning the drinker into a zombie.